Hi friends, welcome to Keto with Libby. I'm Libby, and today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day at work. I work 9 to 5. I have worked full-time the entire time I've lost my weight, so I figured why not show you guys what a normal day of eating looks like for me. So it is actually Thursday night. I'm going to be showing you on Friday what I eat, but I want to prep my overnight chia seed pudding. The recipe, the macros, all of that will be linked in the description below, but I originally got this recipe from Low Carb Love, but I did make a few adjustments. So let's get prepping our lunch. This will be lunch for tomorrow. Alright, so I will show you guys me making that tomorrow at lunch. I work in healthcare, so I can't really do a whole lot of videoing at work, so I'll try to pop in some pictures or something for you, or whatever videos I get. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. And good morning, guys. It is about 7 a.m. All the dogs are fed. I am going to get my coffee started. Yeah, and I've been doing a few different things with it. So I will show you what I've been doing that, and then we are going to head off to daycare and then work. So let's make coffee. Okay, so I'm adding a tablespoon of butter this morning because I am super hungry. Coffee is frothy and good to go. So what I didn't show you guys last night was I put the walnuts in a bag with some unsweetened coconut. Yeah, coconut shreds. So I'll just put these on top as well. I just wanted to show you that because I forgot all about the coconut shreds. All right, let's go. I always feel so judged when I'm sitting here. Like, I'll do Instagram stories in the parking lot at work because I get here early so I can finish my coffee in peace and silence and listen to music. But like, whenever I do my Instagram stories, I just feel so awkward, like right now, because people can see my phone. It's fine, whatever. So I have probably half of my coffee left. I didn't drink a whole lot. It's hot. I don't know why it's so hot this morning. Oh, I am tired. I am tired. That was a very full day, full of a lot of patience. So the plan is to go home and clean probably a little bit and then make dinner. Yes, I have a call at 8 with a health coaching client. So I need to be done with dinner, you know, like 6:30, 7, so I can prep for our call. But yeah, so we are home. I dropped my son off at my mom's house and we are getting started on dinner. Colton bought pork steaks and he is frying up some shrimp. So there is the shrimp, and he has got the pork steaks out on the grill. I am going to find myself a vegetable. I always have like frozen vegetables just because I suck at fresh vegetables. Oh yeah, this looks good. Child's pizza. Yeah, I think I'll do this. So I'm gonna do rice, cauliflower, broccoli florets, and cheese sauce. So he wants veggie tots, so we're gonna put 400 degrees on the oven. And then my vegetable side, this is the broccoli cauliflower stuff. Yeah, broccoli cauliflower stuff. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 5 minutes. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I will probably not be partaking in the veggie tots just because they can be a lot of carbs, and I try to stay away from those things that have like fillers and stuff in them. They just don't make me feel super awesome, so I will stick with the veggies and the meats, the shrimp and the pork. So when that is all done, I will see you guys back here for some dinner. I might go sit outside with them while he's grilling, so. Thanks, you're the best. Alright, let's make our plate. Alright guys, so I finished dinner and I honestly thought I was going to be hungry and want something after, but I think that my dinner filled me up pretty well. I was gonna have like a tea or something, but I think I'm good. Colton just made himself some fruit and whipped cream, so I stole a strawberry with whipped cream. But this is gonna be the last thing I eat for the day. I have about a half a bottle of water I need to finish. So thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be linked in the description below. All of my macros and everything will be down there as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that this kind of helped you see that you can stick to keto even if you work a full-time job. It just takes a little bit more either thought or preparation. Again, I don't meal prep, I just meal plan. And sometimes we fly by the seat of our pants. It's just the way life is. So thank you so much, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye.